How you doing, everybody, and welcome to Ninja Tunes, where the martial arts meets the creative arts. I'm Michael Voog, the Art Ninja, and this is Tuesday's 2-Minute Tip, Action Figure Drawing. Okay, so many of you know that every Wednesday we have cosplay figure drawing class here at Ninja Tunes Studios in the Simi Valley Town Center from 6:30 to 8 o'clock. That's every Wednesday. And we have a cosplayer come in and dress up and model for the artists. So the artists surround them and we draw them in their favorite cosplay. We've had Disney princesses, DC characters, and this month is Anime August. But sometimes scheduling can be a problem, or maybe you're too far to drive to Ninja Tunes. And that's when action figures come in. These Disney Infinity characters are great substitutes for cosplay figure drawing models. And guess what? They're not going to move on you. So place these in front of your drawing board and study the poses. Okay? Study the major muscle groups, the proportions, the anatomy. Use them as a reference to practice your artwork. Now here's your homework, and I know this won't take too long because you're always cleaning up your room, but find those old action figures, those old Disney Infinity or Skylander characters. Maybe you have some stuffed animals or small statues, and use them to practice your drawing. There's really no excuse. There's always something that you can have modeling in front of you to practice. And that's today's 2-Minute Tip. Don't forget, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We really appreciate it. And remember your ABCs. Always be creating. Make it a great week, everybody. And we draw that cosplayer in their cosplay. There's no excuse for not being able to practice. If you don't have action figures, get your brother or sister.